Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the fuel tank on this Briggs Stratton engine, you will need a 5/16" nut driver, a 10mm socket, a 10mm wrench, and pliers. Before you begin this procedure, make sure the engine has cooled and the fuel tank is empty. Using the 5/16" nut driver, unthread the 2 screws securing the throttle cover plate. Shift the throttle lever to the right so you can detach the plate. Next, use the 10mm socket to unthread the 2 front screws, securing the fuel tank to the bracket. Use the 10mm wrench to unthread the 2 rear screws securing the tank. Use the pliers to release the spring clamp securing the fuel line and pull the line off to fully release the old tank. To install the new fuel tank, first insert the cap retainer into the tank and thread on the cap. Now attach the fuel line to the port and secure it with the spring clamp. Position the tank on the bracket, then rethread the rear and front screws. Reposition the throttle cover plate and rethread the screws. Fill the new tank with fuel, and the engine should be ready for use.